Hi all, I am making this video for the week 4 discussion board to show you how to electronically shepherdize a court case. In the discussion question, you'll see there's a YouTube video that explains how to shepherdize print materials, but the video that I'm making right now will be to show you how to shepherdize electronic materials in Lexis Advance. So you'll learn in the lecture materials that the reason we shepherdize is to make sure that a court case that we're relying on for our research is still good law. In other words, we need to be sure that the court case has not been overruled in some way. So the only way to do that for electronic materials is to shepherdize it. And that is what we're going to do. So I am in Lexis Advance. I signed in. I'm on the main screen. And we are going to practice shepherdiizing by using the court case that was given to us in the discussion post. And that's called Betts v. Brady. And the site 316 US 455. And I'm going to search for that. And you will see that the case comes up. And you may have noticed this in the past when you've researched, but every court case in Lexis will have an indicator sign next to it. And this indicator is a red stop sign, and that is a warning sign that negative treatment has been indicated. So now we know that there has been an issue with Betts v. Brady, and we need to use caution before we rely on it. So we need to get some more information. So I'm going to try to move my screen over. Okay, I don't know if you'll be able to see this. Okay, hopefully you will. If I move my screen over, I think you can see on the right-hand side is something called Shepherds, which is shepherdiizing. And it shows you that there's the red signal because of a warning. So you'll click on that. Okay, and move this back over, and you will see that the warning came from a case called Gideon versus Wainwright, and that's a Supreme Court case that was adjudicated in 1963. And it overruled the Betts case. So now we know that Betts v. Brady is not good law, and we do not want to rely on it. And then you can click on Gideon to get more information, or you can look at the summary here that explains why Gideon overruled Betts. But the bottom line is this would show us let's not rely on this case because it was overruled. And then to get even more information, you can come over to the left where you have case history and citing decisions. Okay, and click on citing decisions. And here you'll get even more information about the different court cases that have cited either positively or negatively to Betts v. Brady. There have been some warnings, there's been questions, and so on. And then as you go further down, get even more information. You can find out how many courts cited to it in the federal courts and then state courts. And then even more information as you go down about how many courts analyzed it, discussed it, mentioned it, cited it, and so on. So this is some information that you will need for this discussion board. And really shepherdiizing is very simple, but it's so important. And it's important to get into the habit of always looking for these indicators so that you can know if you're relying on good law or not. I look forward to our week 4 discussion boards. Thanks.